This is a fuel injector balance test on a 1996 Chevy C1500 with a 4.3 Vortec. As you can see, I have my fuel pressure gauge connected. It's been sitting for a minute since I ran the ignition. That goes to the Schrader valve on the fuel rail. And I have my eBay J39021 fuel injector tester and switch box using the 4.3 harness connected into the harness over here. I unplugged the original one and plugged this one in its place. And here are the relevant pages from the factory service manual that say what to do. So I'm going to walk you through it. Turn off the ignition, turn it on, make sure that we're at 60 to 66 PSI. As you can see, it's a little low because it's been sitting for a minute. So there, the fuel pump just ran, so now it is in spec. What is that, about 65, moving down a tiny bit, and it should be between 60 and 66, which it is. So I will go to step 3 that says to energize the fuel injectors one at a time. Now it says to run the fuel pump for 2 seconds, and I'm just cycling the key. I don't know if that's actually happening, but according to this, using this tool, the balance test, which is ready to go, I just need to push that button. The pressure should drop 1.5 psi or 10 kPa, and this is psi. And here's what happens. I have the box set to 1, and I have the balance test set to 0.5 to 2.5, which I think is right. I can try it at 4 also. We're at 60, and this is what happens when I push the button. It drops to, that is about 23. And I just ran this test on all 6. They all do about the same thing. What I did notice is that when I ran it on 6, it seemed a little bit louder than the others, and I am troubleshooting a misfire on the passenger side over there where my O2 sensor is reading low voltage, I mean. So I'll run it one more time. Cycle the key. The pump ran. This time I'll do it on 6. You'll see my pressure is up. I'll move the box over to 6. I'll push the button. That drops down to mid-20s, which it does on all of them. And just for fun, at the sake of destroying everything, come on, pump, there, pump ran. I'll do it on number 4 and set this to 4 amp and see what happens when I push the button. That's about the same results. So I don't really know what that means. The drop is supposed to be 1.5 psi. I thought I read online that it should drop to 10 or 20, but now I don't know. So it's saying replace the appropriate injector and poppet nozzle assembly, but all of them are doing that. All 6 drop from just over 60 to mid-20s. So maybe that means I won't be replacing my injector assembly in there. I don't know. But it's cool to work with this 1990s technology. All right, thank you for watching.